Stop writing basic AI scripts. If you want to build the kind of AI applications that top tech companies are really building and deploying right now, you need to understand what agentic AI is and how people actually build AI applications around them. Welcome to Venu X Code. I'm officially announcing the only LangGraph series you ever need. We are going absolute zero to hero, and by the end of this series, you won't just be playing with AI chatbots anymore. You'll be orchestrating massive stateful AI systems. And that's true, you can build too. And but before we start drawing boxes on this whiteboard, let's talk what you actually need to follow this series. Do you need a PhD in machine learning? And that's a no. The only prerequisites you need for this course is a laptop or a computer with an internet connection, and you need to know Python. All you need is understanding of Python. If you know how to write a function, run a loop, and if you can use those conditional statements like if else, you're 100% ready for this course. It's true, you're 100% ready. And now let me also break your myth in the tech world, because most people think that you need to be a LangChain expert before you learn LangGraph. Absolutely not. If you're a complete beginner also and just moving into the AI space, it is totally okay. I'm right here with you. We are building everything from the ground up. And honestly, starting fresh with LangGraph gives an advantage because you can know how data can play in the LLM ecosystem or the AI ecosystem. To be precise, the LangGraph is built on top of LangChain. But the top tech companies and everyone are asking for the LangGraph because they had the more control of the data. So don't worry. If you don't know the LangChain, it's okay. You can start with LangGraph. But if you know LangChain, the LangGraph is cherry on cake for you. So let's get to the next topic. And I also want to clear this up for a bit, like our biggest confusion in the industry too. What is the difference between an AI agent and agentic AI? And to make yourself like feel more comfortable, let's pull up my ChatGPT bit. Let's say, what is the weather? Sorry, it's WEATH weather in Hyderabad. Let's see. It gives you some answer, right? Here's the weather in Hyderabad. Something, something, something. But quick question: do ChatGPT really know the answer for that question? No, it doesn't know. But how come it pulled the data and displayed it to you? The thing is, it is internally calling an agent, a web search agent, to find the temperature of Hyderabad. And that web agent is getting some response from the web and giving it to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is displaying with this beautiful emojis and icons and the formatted type. If you can see this sources kind of thing, when you click this, you see some links here. It is fetching from these links. It is reading this entire article and then summarizing and then fetching the things that are required. So this is how it is working. Got it? Now let's look at this diagram. Okay, you're the user. Is this laser pointer? Yeah. You are the user. You are querying the LLM, and if the LLM doesn't know the answer, well, doesn't know the answer, it calls an API for the answer, and the API responds with some answer, and the LLM does some extra sweetie things to present you the answer and gives you the answer back. So this is how a basic AI agent works. And to be precise, it is very smart, but mostly it do a solo work only, like executing one goal at a time. Like simply it fetches the web answer and gives you the web answer. That's it. But on the other hand, like it is a whole different beast out there. It is not just one agent, it's an entire system. And that system is called an agentic AI. So we'll be having uh, agent 1, agent 2, agent 3, etc. We can have n number of agents. And when you ask a query, okay, the LLM will decide which agent to pass it on. It's not like one agent, it can pass it to many agents. And you will get many responses. And from those responses, you'll get a consolidated output. And that is what an agentic AI means. Agentic AI is like creating an entire system such that It handles every query of the user and gets users work done. But on the other hand, agentic AI agent is it's a part of agentic AI where it does a designated work. You got that? Yeah. And let's go to that thing, LangChain. And we can bring LangChain into this. It is like LangChain only. To understand LangChain, you need to understand what chain is. Like chain is exactly, it sounds like it's a linear sequence of steps. See, it is one step. This is one step. This is another step. If you have a query, it goes to step 1 or step 2 or step 3 and gives you a response. It's a simple step. So the chain number chain 1 is this is chain 1 and this is chain 2 and this is chain 3. So these are 3 chains in a one loop. It's like a factory assembly line. It's perfect for simple, predictable workflows where data just flows straight. But here the problem is assembly lines break, right? When things go wrong, they definitely break. What happens if this agent 3 is stuck or the response is not coming out? What then the output be then? We really don't get output there, right? That's exactly why the creators of LangChain built LangGraph. And welcome to LangGraph. In LangGraph, like LangGraph completely changes the game by treating your application like network of nodes and edges. For example, but wait, Venu, like what is a node? What is an edge? We don't know that. Yes, we don't know it. I'm here to tell you. A node is a single function. Treat it like a function. Like it can have many subagents spinning it up there, but think like node as a function. And edge is the data connecting layer, like data layer, where the node 1's output is connected to the node 2's input. So that node 1 output will be as node 1 input. Okay. And similarly, node 2 output will be node 3 input. And we'll be having an edge connecting node 2 and node 3. And the node 3 will give you the output. Like, let me minimize this so you can have a broader look. Yeah, good. Okay. Like, look at structure. Node 1 talks with node 2 and node 2 talks with node 3 and node 3 gives you the output. Like, you get ultimate control here. Your nodes can reason, critique their own work and loop until to get everything right. It also introduces stateful orchestration. Like, your graph can remember data at every point. See, suppose if I ask after node 1, what is the output I got? It can give you. After node 2, what is the output? It can give you. After node 2, what is the output? It can give you. And you can also say like, hey, after node 2, I need to introduce a human so that the human can say whether to go to node 3 or not. It will happen. It's that control we have when creating systems in LangGraph that we don't have in LangChain. Okay? So LangChain is for workflows. LangGraph is for true agentic AI. In the next video, in the next episode of this video, the 02 Hero series, we are getting our hands dirty for real. We are going to set up our environment, install some dependencies, and really write our first graph. We'll be creating nodes, we'll be creating edges, and we'll be creating everything from scratch. And I also will tell how to use ChatGPT for free without actually paying for your credits. That's very best thing I found out. So please do subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you're serious about mastering AI this year, better do that. And if you think that this session helped you, let me know in the comments, and also comment me what kind of AI agent do you want to build, because if that comes and that helps the series I build, I will build along the series. So please comment that. See you in the next video. Keep coding. Bye bye.